Powell spoke and the markets didn't wait. The dollar is down, yields are down, equities are up, and risk is on. Crypto snapped back instantly. The only question now, does Bitcoin clear the gate at 118.5 to 120,000, or do we fade to 117? So Powell cracked the door open to cuts, and financial conditions eased. That alone flipped sentiment, guys, in 1 week. That's wild, right? At the beginning of the week, bearish. Sentiment was bearish. And now, just now, because the words of one man, a few words, and we repriced the whole risk complex. Crypto followed fast. Bitcoin pushed straight into this point of control right here, just below it, between 116 and 118. You can see 118.5, right? Point of control. Between 116 and 118 is where we want to stay above. Okay, we want to get above this area. This is the gate. Okay, this is the gate test. A daily close above 115 to 120. That opens up 120 to 124. The continuation. Bitcoin rejects in this area, then we probably retest 50 EMA, but more than likely we'd lose it, and we end up going back into this consolidation right here between 114 to 112,000. We lose this little area right here, then 110 becomes possible again. But sentiment has changed. Now the market has priced in rate cuts in September again. That's what the market was kind of waiting for. Okay, some more clarity there, and that will be the spark, guys. Believe me, that first rate cut is going to be the spark. If we don't get a rate cut, then time frames will go longer. Instead of Q4 2024 as the blow up area, like the blow off top area, probably go into Q1 26. Okay, so that first rate cut it is important. And right now, exact level, if you want exact levels and invalidations, they're in my Telegram VIP, $20 a month. Derivatives, what do they tell us? Max pain is at 114. Bitcoin ETFs, negative 194 million in outflows yesterday, right here, as you can see. But Ethereum ETFs, Ethereum's getting the shine, guys. Ethereum's getting the shine right now. You're gonna see the data back that up. First clue, Ethereum ETFs, positive. 288 million in inflows yesterday after a 4-day red streak. Options, as I mentioned, have a pin near 114,000. Okay, also the max pain that I just showed you guys, and there are call walls above that. So the translation, I'm not going to bore you with all the derivatives data. Suffice to say, Bitcoin has to earn the breakout at the POC, the point of control, at 117, 118,000, while Ethereum has the flow wind. It's back. So over 118.5 daily close sticks, right, above those levels, dealers likely damp some volume, and we can grind up. If we lose 115,000, right now there's 50 EMA, and volume reaccelerates, we come back here. All right, as I keep mentioning to you, Ethereum is leaving. Ethereum looking beautiful, pressing right up against this area of resistance near 5,000 right now. Ethereum's at 4,000, looking very, very strong. How strong? Well, this move up started roughly 8th, 9th of April. Say 8th. Let's say the 9th of April, guys. Ethereum is the play, guys. Ethereum is the play, and that's important. All right, spot ETFs, so as we just saw, all right, are really helping this. All right, smart money is saying Ethereum is the play. Great for us. All right, how good is it? Ethereum and Bitcoin against Bitcoin, right? When Bitcoin is shining, this chart goes down. Ethereum is shining, this chart. Okay, so since more or less May 7th, we've been in an uptrend, strong uptrend. This was an area that recently, right, we were just testing. Is this trend gonna continue? Bounce right here on this ascending line, this trend line. Boom, here we go. Next area of interest, 0.048, guys. Okay, we want this to happen. We want this to continue, because as Ethereum goes, altcoins go. Specifically, base means, because base is a layer 2 of Ethereum. It all connects. Base doesn't have a coin. What's the best way to get some play off of base's shine? Base memes. The ones that I'm going to mention to you guys, the ones that I've been mentioning to you guys. We're going to see the charts right now. Toshi, Keycat, Miggles. Let's take a look. Mr. Miggles, right here, bounced right here on this. Body's held the point of control at 0.031, but it bounced on this line right here. Okay, so we can expect an attempt at 0.039. First area of resistance though, 0.038. So if we can get past this area, then we have a shot at moving out of here. And once we do that, then I could see some strong impulses if the market continues, right? As long as Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin, we should be really good. Toshi, look how aggressive this chart is, right? Since the 22nd of June, broke the point of control right here with some strength, right? Volume is kind of weak right now, but let's see what happens there. We need some more volume, and we need volume to break through this 3078. If we could do that, guys, it's game on for Toshi. Much higher. Next area of interest would be 0015. All right, Toshi looks extremely strong, extremely promising. It just might. One of these four is, in my opinion, is going to be the darling of base, the top meme on base. It might just be top meme on base. What do you think the market cap on the top meme on base should be? The best, the top L1 in all of crypto, Ethereum. Ethereum, 10,000, 12,000, money flowing in, right? Base is going to get shined. What do you think the top meme on base is going to be? A lot of capital going that way. 20 billion? I think 20 billion sounds pretty good. Toshi's at like 300 million, right? If Toshi is the number one, 20 billion, do the math. Cat, also another contender. Mr. Miggles, also another contender to be the leader on base, top meme, all right? 20 billion. Miggles is at like a 30 million market cap right now, something like that. Cat, closing in probably around like a 40 something million market cap. Cat, beautiful red-green day right now. Let's see if we reject here. But what I like about this chart is this triangle, all right? We got out of this triangle. We tried. We haven't been able to since November of 24. We tried. We tested it as support, held. Nice, beautiful bounce, all right? The market obviously comes into play as well. We need the rest of the market to do its thing. So this is good. If things continue, break past this point of control, 0055, next area of interest for KeyCat, 0075, guys. Right now it's at 0051. It's amazing how quickly, in a matter of a couple of days, things can change. Dog and me. Nice green candle. We like to see that right now above this point of control right here. 3058. If we can break and hold at least this, next area of interest would be right here, 3075, and that would be the battle. Once we break through this, guys, then we can things up to 0014, guys. Dog and me is going to do extremely well too, guys. One of these four, it's going to be the darling, and all of them, in my opinion, are going to touch at least a billion market cap easily, if I keep showing them to you. All four have strong communities as well. That's super important. So if Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin, if that continues, then Base, which is an L2 of Ethereum, attracts more capital. This flow logic is extremely bullish. So wrap it up. What's my base case? Bitcoin close and hold above this area right here, this point of control between 117, 118. Get above it, right? Let's say 119, 120. Then the door is wide open to 120 to 124,000, a continuation, right? And I can see it happening. That's my base case. But first things first, the fight is right here, right at this point of control, 117, let's say 117 and a half, let's say. If we lose this, obviously the next area of support would be 114, the 50 EMA. We'd probably lose that, and we'd probably get back into this little mini channel that we had for a couple of days right here, right in between 114 to 112. We lose that, then 110 becomes a target, right? Here we go, a bounce, retesting this ascending line. The last video I did, I showed you the importance of this ascending line. But right now, it's looking less probable. Look at that big move, okay? And really, Powell lit the fuse, guys. So the impulse is real, all right? Ethereum is the spear tip, and base memes are lining up behind it. For Bitcoin, the whole story is simple, like I just mentioned. Clear the point of control right here, 117,000, and the path opens up. If we fail, we mean revert first back down to 112, 114,000. Crazy how a single speech can swing sentiment this hard in 1 week, but hey, that's crypto. If you want my exact Bitcoin Ethereum levels, heat map targets, and the live mean setups, I'm taking. Hop into the Telegram VIP, 20 bucks a month, daily alpha, daily no fluff alpha, link in bio, or DM me VIP, and I'll get you. Well, that said, thank you. Have a great weekend. See you guys in the next one, people.